In this guide, I'm going to show you how to limit sensitive content on Instagram. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open the Instagram app and tap on your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you see the What You See category and select Content Preferences. Tap Sensitive Content at the top and you'll see three options: Less, Standard, and More. To reduce the amount of sensitive content Instagram recommends, select Less. Keep in mind that this only limits posts Instagram has identified as potentially sensitive, so some content may still appear. This preference also applies to threads. Once selected, return to Instagram and your sensitive content setting will be updated. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.